Hindi. Yung sarap eh. Ano pala yun? Hmm?
Utang yan eh. Joke.
At saka, gano'n mo ka-like si Pogs?
Less than I like Jaden.
I'm not gonna delete that.
Hindi, okay lang. Hindi naman pa ako nag-
Yeah, he's gay. He has bushy eyebrows.
Si Pogs din ko yun.
Si Shots.
Oo nga.
Sarap! Laki naman yan. Dilitan!
No, okay lang.
Sa fairness.
How much do you like Shots?
I don't like him.
You love him. How much do you love him?
I don't.
How much are you lying?
A lot. I don't like him. He's gay.
Go on. It's hazelnut brownie.
Uwe, di nga. Kaya pala lasang hazelnut eh.
Nalaman mo nila. Ang sarap ng brownie.
Ikaw matikma kasi lagi mo kinakain eh.
Kain mo kasain mo.
Eh,
Kain mo.
I'm so gonna delete this.
No.
I look
Ang
horrible.
ganda niya eh. Okay.
Yung pag sinabi ko yung secret mo.
What?
Ganda
Ano
pa
ba?
ba?
Huwag niya kasi.
Wait lang.
Kain ka.
Tawa mo kasi bitawa mo.
Eh.
You're rude.
Tigas.
Huwag yan. Huwag naman ako sa dyan.
Gusto ko magtigas sa pork.
View. So malalambot. Joke lang. Utak mo! Utak mo! Ang verde.
You watch Glee?
Yeah. It was boring.
You like Buck? Buck?
Who?
Do you like Buck?
Who's fuck?
Me. Joke.
Who's me?
I don't know.
Sayang. Legs ko nun.
Ha?
Lahat ba sila andun?
Ha? Yep.
Lahat?
Yeah.
Kwenta.
Yeah.
But
I don't know if Pogs is there.
Di ba katik ko si ano kuya kanina?
Si ano?
Mhm.
Hindi. Check ko. Before siya ulit.
Sabi niya naman si ano kung gadala niya cellphone niya.
Text mo.
Text na ako.
I want to next her kasi reply.
Ha? Ano, it makes me depressed pag hindi siya nag-reply. I don't know why.
Because you love him. How do you know if you like someone?
I don't know.
For
You like someone?
Yeah, if you yourself.
Then, Wala lang naman sa'yo. Nalaman mo naman yun.
How?
Kinikilig ka.
Ha?
Kinikilig ka. Nailang.
Hindi lang. That's when someone likes you.
No.
Hmm?
Same thing. Nung crush ko si Toot. Nung grade 6 ako. And then like,
Like, kuya.
yeah. And then lagi kami pinapagtabi nila, ma'am. Tapos like, lagi ako nang ilang. I don't talk to him.
Mom, as in your mom?
Ma'am. As in, teacher.
Okay, papagtabi.
Sure.
Oh.
Eh kasi
Not
nga,
even
alam,
classmates.
hindi, not him.
Hindi ka naman ilang nahihiya.
Ilang talaga ako dun.
Good shit.
Wala akong hiya nung grade 6, excuse you.
Ikaw hindi.
Basta, baliw. Basta ano lang nagtatabi nun, hindi parang like ano, tapos biglang naging partners, biglang pina-partner kami for acquaintance nung first year. Tapos nung suwasayaw na
Hindi na
kami.
ba crush si ano nun?
Crush na nung nata ko eh. Basta yun. Nailang ako dun. Si basta nakakaano lang yung feeling mo, pero pag when it comes to ano, dali lang. I don't know why. Some lang. Di ba ikaw pag si ano, si hindi, si Jazz.
Jam.
No, I mean, iilang ka. Kasi may crush siya sa'yo. Okay. Sino sila no? Ako get.
Yeah. Yeah. Jam. It's way back last year. Pero ang sweet niya kaya.
Nuno.
Yung Jam.
Kanino?
Hanggang mga ka-text ko ngayon siya.
Wait, sino ba pinag-uusapan natin? Wait lang, akin na yan!
Anong nawa yan? What?
Ow!
Oh, yung brownie! Mmm. Gusto niyo?
I want water now. Tamis. Yun, ito yung panoorin itong video. Tapos magugutom ako. Wala nang ice cream!
O kasi laki-laki ng subo eh. Shit. Did I make it wet?
Yeah, I'm gonna go lick my fingers.
Where's my phone? Where's my
With
phone?
my face. Because I'm
Oh
a
my
pig.
God.
Yes, I'm a pig.
Yeah.
Resuck this video now. Who's Marvel? Sino si Marvel Go?
Ay, buti ko ano!
Aray! Ah!
Bakit ng tawa ko? Oh my God!
Baliw mo! Baliw mo! Yung mga loling.
Ngayon ka mapansin, oh my God!
Baliw mo! Baliw mo! Hoy! You should stop it na kasi matagal pa yan mag-download.
Yung upload.
Upload, download. Up, download. Upload. Up, download, yeah. We can you by the registration board what it is what that we
If you can you buy the illustration board that we need?
Okay, pause. Okay. Send. Ano ba yun?
My mom left.
Yes, her mom left.
She's there.
In New
Going
Jersey.
there. No,
Where is she?
in Canada.
Why is she? Kala ko nasa New Jersey.
No, my brother's in Texas.
Oh, wait. How is Texas connected to Canada?
Because my mom's gonna go to Canada first. Tapos,
Why?
after that, she will go to Seattle.
Why?
And then, after Seattle, she will go to Texas
Why? Kaya siya babalik.
next year.
Year?
Yeah, January.
Oh my god. So, hindi niyo siya kasama mo Christmas?
No.
Oo, kasi kala ko next week siya babalik.
Next week.
Bitch. Joke lang. Thanks and save my number. Okay, I love you too. Okay, I
Gagi.
love you too. That was Ida.
Ida, Patricia.
Something
Weinstein.
Weinstein. Yeah, we love you, Ida.
Yeah.
Shout out to Ida Weinstein. Okay, save it.
I'm gonna make a shout out to my
Okay.
text mates.
Marvel Go.
Carlos Mendoza.
Mendoza. Jane
Rapper.
Rapper.
Mika Anatalio.
Hi.
Ida Weinstein. Ryan Bernal. Aaron Zamaloto. Mike Corpuz.
Sino to?
Jennifer Marvel Go. Keith Bayani.
Jalen Ang.
Jalen Ang.
Jalen Ang.
Jalen Ang.
Jalen Ang. Jalen Ang. Jalen Ang. Jalen
Sabi niya
Ang.
ice cream.
Jalen Ang. Jalen Ang. Jalen Ang. Jalen Ang. Jalen Ang.
Jennifer.
Josh Balanghug.
Josh Balanhagi.
View.
Autoload
And
Max.
don't forget about the
Keith
Love
Bayani.
Project.
Jennifer.
Sino to ka text ko? What the fuck?
It's Ida.
Anong Love Project? Anong project sa
Yung
Love?
ano,
Ah.
mga birds. Yung sabi mo you left it at home.
Oh, the thing that I left at home.
Ako din, I left it at home.
Oo nga, dapat magdala tayo na kundi may quiz tayo.
Gagawin ko yun sa Russell Gallardo, Josh Balanhagi, RJ Domingo,
Francis Corpus.
Francis
and Marvin.
Baliw. Francis Corpus. Somebody texted me. Who is it? It's Carlos Mendoza saying, "Hey Mika."
Hey, nigga! Joke lang. So, oh shit, wag.